So do you guys want me to take you on a journey from $0 to $1,000 in under 7 days? Well, stay to the end of this video and we're going to be showing you guys how we're going to do that. What's going on, guys? Came here back again for another video for you all today. So this is going to be a short video. I just want to talk to you guys all. So stick to the end of this video to get all of the knowledge from it. Subscribe if you are new around the channel. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and leave me a comment what you guys want to see me in the next video. But this is actually a giveaway that I'm going to be doing for 3 different people. And it's going to be over the course of the next month or so. So I'm just trying to build up some testimonials. So I'm going to just come out straight and say that. So all 3 of these people are going to have to be willing to do testimonial videos for me for when I do come to sell my course and when it comes to sell my mentorship. I'm just going to be totally brutally honest with you guys because that is what this is for. That's the reason that I'm doing a free mentorship basically. It's just because I know I can do it. And I just want to show you guys the value of it, and we're going to show you guys through this video. So there are a couple steps to be entered into that. All you guys have to do to be entered into that course is go ahead and drop a like on this video, subscribe to this channel, create a store with me. So basically go down below in the description of this video. There's a 14-day free trial for Shopify. Set up a store with that, and I'm going to be contacting the first person within the next 3 days. So I'm going to pick a store through there. So it's just for the small amount of people that actually sign up for that, because that just shows that you guys are actually willing to do it, because I can just take over the management through that through affiliates. So I do hope you guys do enter into this. All you guys have to do is be a part of the Facebook group, subscribe to this channel, drop a like on this, drop a comment letting me know when you guys started Shopify, how much money you have made with Shopify, and what you guys know about it so far. But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys best of luck. This is gonna be running for the next month or so, so I'll see you guys at the end. Our goal is 500 subs by the end of the month. Remember, like I said, subscribe to this channel with post notifications turned on, drop a like on this video, comment when you guys started Shopify, and you'll be entered in for this full 1 week mentorship with me, basically taking you from $0 to $1,000 in under a week. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and best of luck to all of you guys. Peace out.